It can't be. It just can't be. They're not ready, I tell you. It's not the time. You said only after... Everyone, someone would like to speak with you all.
Well, how are we doing out here in the under? Hello, good to see each and every one of you. My name is Tumbleweed McGillicuddy, and I come here to play everyone's favorite game. That's right, don't push the button, even with you. Fantastic, welcome. Hello there. Now, has anyone never played Don't Push the Button before? Anyone out there? No. You've never, ever played Don't Push the Button. You, over here, kitty cat? Oh, all right. Come on up. This is a very difficult game. You see, there's only one rule. It's don't push the button. Now, I know that can get confusing. There's a little squiggly up there between the N and the D. Don't be afraid. It's just an apostrophe. You see, a grammatical term. We're taking two words and squishing them into one. If you unfurl it, it says do not push the button. I know that sometimes that can get confusing. I hope we cleared it all up. Are you ready to play? All right. Come on down. All right. Now, this is the game of good versus evil, you see. Of light versus dark. That's right. Are you going to go with your best instinct or your worst instinct? We're about to find out in the next 10 seconds. That's right. Hold your hands out over the button just like this. There you go. All right. We're going to count you down starting from 10. This is on you. 9. Everyone's watching. 8. It's just up for you to decide. 7. There you go. Thank you. That one. 6. You in the button. 5. You're almost halfway there. This one's got it. 4. Look at that. Coming straight to the finish line. 3. Here you are. 2. Almost there. 1. This is your last dance before I say. Oh my goodness, absolutely amazing. Look at that. Congratulations. You have defeated the button in unarmed combat. Come on over here. Not only do you get the satisfaction of winning and that beautiful rose from your mates, but you get a Tumbleweed McGillicuddy signature toast. That's right, so you can think of this moment every morning when you wake up. Brought to you by a healthy breakfast. Take your toast out there to your friends. Gloat about it. Congratulations. Who wants to come up next? Boom. Saw your hand first. All right. Come on up. There it is. Is this your first time? What? How do you do? Yes, indeed. Is this your first time playing? Don't push the button. No, it's not. Have you pushed the button before? Are you a repeat offender? Your hesitation doesn't make me very confident. Come on down to the button. Here we go. All right. Now, regardless of whatever your past may be, this is a brand new moment for you. You see, everything from here on out. Are you ready to, do you feel the pressure and the weight of this moment? Are you ready to embark on your journey? All right. Everyone out there? Feel free to try and sway this mask one way or the other. They've been up here before. They can handle the pressure. They've got 10 seconds on the clock. Here we go. 10. The world, you've been here before. 9. You get a new clean sheet. 8. Like an Etch-a-Sketch. Just erase. You know what I'm saying? 7. Remember Etch-a-Sketches? There we go. Fantastic. 5. You just distract yourself. Get out there. Now I'm going to say 5. There it is. Here we're going to go. 4. I see your hands are shaking. 3. Don't you worry. Fight the devil. Fight the devil. 2. Here we come to the end. 1. Oh, I think this one's got it. Can you go all the way? Let B before I say the next number in the sequence, which actually isn't a number, it's technically an integer. We call it 0. Absolutely amazing. Woo! There it is. Congratulations! Not only do you get the self-satisfaction of winning against your inner demons, but you get a camera! That's right. Come on, let's take a selfie together. The moment that you overcame the button. Cheese! There it is. Fantastic. Yeah, come on, bring it in. Yeah, I'm proud of you too. All right, so gloat about it to your friends. Ooh, I see you. Are you gonna come on? Come on up. Fantastic. Welcome. Hello. Can I ask you a very quick question? I love your hat, by the way. It's absolutely incredible. I think it's amazing. But does having the flotation device above your head actually prevent you from drowning? I feel, yeah, it does. Okay, I just wanted to clear that up, make sure that it was still, FAA approved and all that. I'm glad we got that clear. All right, let's play. Is this your first time playing Don't Push a Button? Woo! All right. You've seen what's come before you. Do you feel like you can handle the pressure of this moment? All right. Brave mask. Brave mask. Here we go. You got 10 seconds on the clock. I want you to hold your hands out over the button here. You've got to feel the temptation. It's got to be real. Zero in on yourself. Okay? Bring the light to it in the next 10 seconds. Here we go. Starting with 10. There you go. 9. It was just the rise up action. 8. Here we go. Building the tension between you and the button. 7. Anything can happen from this moment. If we know one thing, 6. It's that anything can happen for any reason. 5. At any time. That is number 1 law. 4 of the universe. Here we go. 3. You're in the home stretch. I believe in you. 2. This is your first time up here. I feel the good energy. Here you go. 1. This is it. This is the last time that you get to choose for your very first time playing Don't Push the Button. Can never go back in the history of ever. This is what you've got to do. You'll cement this in the history of time. This is your choice. Right now. 0. Congratulations! You will forever go down in the annals of history as not having pressed the button the first time you were up there. Come on down. Not only do you get the satisfaction of defeating the button, but you get a transistor radio. Oh, bad kitty. Bad kitty. Don't make me get the spray bottle. That's not your prize. Bad kitty. Congratulations. There you go. Absolutely. Of course. Yeah. Oh. Very proud of you, very proud of you. Take it out there into the house. There you go. Absolutely gloat in front of all your friends. Do we have one more player for Don't Push the Button? Okay, dokie. Oh, no. It's been my pleasure seeing you out here tonight. Thank you all. My name is Tumbleweed McGillicuddy. I'll catch you next time on... See you later.